All right, what's up everybody? So I'm trying out this Fix app here on my phone. This is actually going to be pretty cool because I'll tell you one thing. I've been driving my Volvo for quite some time now, and I was driving my Volvo last week down the highway here, and when I hit the gas pedal, it started to kind of hesitate, right? It wasn't like a smooth acceleration like normal. Now it is a turbo vehicle, but anyways, the check engine light came on and it kind of started blinking. So I was wondering what the problem is. So thankfully, the app here on my phone by Fixed is getting me fixed and letting me know exactly what's going on with my car. So I just plugged it in, and what it's telling me right here, it says cylinder 2 misfire condition. So obviously now I know that cylinder number 2 is misfiring. And what this thing is telling me here, engine may hesitate, increased vibration, harder to start. You know, I haven't had any issues with starting the car, but yeah, the engine does hesitate when driving down the road or hitting the gas pedal to zoom up the highway and get out of harm's way, which is definitely something that's important and needs to be looked at and get fixed. Now, this app does so much. This thing can set up all types of things. If you subscribe to the premium service, wow, you'll be blown away by everything it's doing. But I'm gonna continue driving my car here with this plugged in right under the dash, and I'm gonna be able to know exactly what's going on with my car when the time occurs where something is going on with the car. Now I'll tell you one thing that's really cool about this right here. It's got so much it offers to help you out as a potential person having an issue with their car. I mean, resolve the issue, schedule service, call Fix Mechanic Hotline. Holy moly, you can talk to a mechanic on the phone. They got videos on here on YouTube. They got more information about what the exact issue is that I got going on. You can also clear the check engine light if you want to cut it off, if it's something simple like an O2 sensor or a gas cap issue, whatever's going on. But depending on what you got going on, this right here is going to tell us exactly what's going on and what we need to do to get it taken care of. You know, there's a lot of people out there in the world that just don't know exactly how to fix cars, right? We're not all mechanics. You know, mechanics go to school for this kind of stuff and spend a lot of money on learning how to work on vehicles and fix cars for people. So I'm really liking this app. It's going to tell me what's going on. You need to check it out too. If you want to get hooked up, check them out online. You can hit the link right at the bottom of this video and you can get it today. Well, holy moly, it cut it off. Look at that. That is incredible. Amazing. I don't have to look at that check engine light anymore. I mean, that is absolutely amazing. And again, I know it's probably most likely going to come back on in the near future when driving my car, but it's amazing that I can cut off that check engine light whenever I want. Thank you, Fix. That is phenomenal. You got to sign up today. That's amazing. It really is.